Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make the magic ring. First you need your hook. I'm just using an ordinary 7mm hook. And then your yarn, just some extra scrap yarn. I am new to crocheting, but I have realized that a lot of the stuffed animal crochet projects use the magic ring to start. So let's jump right into it. So you want to hold your yarn like this. You want to make sure that the tail is away from you. You'll make finger guns and you'll wrap it once. And then you go under, over, and you pull it through that one. And then you will grab on to this one. Let's do it again. Finger guns. Wrap it. Under, over. And then take your fingers out, just like that. Finger guns, wrap it, under, over, pull it through. Just like this. So let's pretend that we are doing a project that says work 6 single crochets into a magic ring. So you'd make your magic ring, and you would put your hook inside the center. You would yarn over, pull it through the circle, yarn over again, and pull through all of them. So that would be 1. In the center, yarn over, pull through 3. So there you can see we have 2. So there is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then what you would do is you would pull this gently. And just close up that circle. So when you're using thinner yarns to work your project, you wouldn't want to close the loop all the way, because if we needed a single crochet into our next round, we would go straight into here. And when you close the magic ring all the way, it makes it very hard to get into that stitch. And then once you do the first one, that's when you can pull it tight. I hope that helps you.